Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I believe you're all doing fine and good in your respective places. Okay, I welcome you to this channel today. Here in today's video, I will be showing you how to earn 3,000 Naira daily. How to earn 3,000 Naira daily. So Naira is Nigerian currency. I'm presently in Nigeria, that is why I'm using Naira as our case study. So 3,000 Naira is equivalent to like $5, $5 US. So you will be learning how to earn $5 on daily basis by doing a simple task. So I want to establish the fact that you can make money online. You can make money online, but what you need to start making money online is the right information, is the right platform, is the right avenue whereby you can make passive income or residual income at the comfort of your home. Okay, so this is what I will be sharing with you today: how to earn 3,000 Naira or $5 daily by doing simple task online. Start making money online now, because it is very possible. So but before I go deep into this video, once again I welcome you to this channel. This video is brought to you courtesy of Lasojani Beanstalk. So in Lasojani Beanstalk, I give you financial education. So this channel, all the contents on this channel are for financial education alone. Okay, if you have any question concerning this video, you can message me through my email, contact me on phone, chat me up on WhatsApp, and join our Telegram channel, as I will be dropping frequent announcements on how you can make money online. And I would like to tell you that if you are new on this channel, it is very important for you to subscribe and click on the notification bell, so that you can be continually aware whenever I drop a new update or other information. But if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that now. Okay, once again, what we are considering today is how to earn 3,000 Naira, which is $5 by doing a simple task online. So quickly, let me take you to the dashboard. Let me take you to the platform whereby you can make money online. So this is Empires X. So Empire X is just they have a bot whereby the bot is used to trade forex. So and the task that you are required to do is just to start the bot. And when you start the bot, so you make 1% of the minimum capital that you can have, which is 500, and 1% of 500 is $5. So you make $5 daily. So let me start that now to show you how to get it done. Oh, sorry. So you make 1% of your capital on daily basis, and the minimum capital that you can have to start this bot is $500. So by so doing, you are making $5 on daily basis, which is approximately 3,000 Naira. Not 1,000, not 2,000, but 3,000 Naira. It is very certain, very sure, provided you have all the requirements. And what are the requirements? You need to have an account with Empire X. That is the first step. The second step is that you need to have the bot. You need to purchase the bot. And the third step is that you need to fund your account. You need to fund your account. So when you are funded, after you funded your account, then the daily task you have to do is to start the bot, as I have done. And as you can see now that the bot is now running, and this is how it's going to run for the next 10-15 minutes until my 1% is achieved for today. Okay, until 1% is achieved for today. So you can see what I've made so far. So the capital is $500, as you can see, and the profit here right now is $40. So this is just for 8 days trade, because 1% of my capital is what I achieve on daily basis, which is $5. So that is how you get your $5 on daily basis. This has been tested and trusted, and it is what many people have been testifying positively about. So you too can start making money online. As I said earlier, that you can start making money online, but what you need is the right information. You need the right platform. You need the right knowledge on how you can get it done, because many people, they are very skeptical whenever it comes to online investment, and this is because of their past experience. And I would like to tell you that it's not a sin to fall, but it is a sin to remain fallen. So what is the best thing that you need to do right now? Maybe you have been defrauded of your labored, of your hard-earned money before, or you mistakenly you leaped before you look. So I think you can still correct that. So just check this video, just watch to the end, and just see it that this is how I have been making money online for myself. So the reason why this channel is created is to share with you some of the ways whereby I make money online for myself, and also to review online investment platform and give you my recommendation, and also to warn you of some suspicious or fraudulent online investment that are very common nowadays, so that you are not going to fall victim or lose your hard-earned money. Okay, so that is the reason why this channel is created. So this is how the bot will work for the next 10 minutes until the 1% is achieved. So, and after the 1% is achieved, it will stop automatically. So that is the only task that you have to do on daily basis. So that is a simple task that you have to do. So you can't extend the amount or the percentage of the profit that the bot will make on a day trade, because it has been designed that way. So there's no room for greediness, unless if you don't want to make up to that 1%. So this is a very secured way to make money online. Is a very secure way to make money in forex, because of the element of greediness in many traders. They have lost all their capital, in which if we are also given the same opportunity, we can end up blowing up our capital. But all those things have been taken away. It has been greatly dealt with by this bot. So what you just need to do is to buy the bot, fund your account, and start the bot on daily basis, and you get your 1%. So the higher the capital, the higher your daily return, but the percentage is still the same. So for someone that is depositing $5,000, that means the daily turnout, the daily profit is what? That is $50, and in 30 days you will be earning $1,500. So this is what I have tested for several times, and it is working. So you too, you can just check this video, you can do your own personal research, do your own personal findings, and if you see that it is what you can give a try, then for that reason I will be dropping some information on how to get started in the description box of this video. And if you still have any question concerning it, you can contact me through my WhatsApp contact here. Through my WhatsApp contact, you can call me on phone. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. Okay, so you can see that it is very possible for you to make 3,000 naira in Nigeria. Maybe you are a student, you are a worker, or you are not employed. You can still make something out of this. So this is one of the ways whereby I make money online for myself. Alright, so because of this video, I won't want it to be lengthy. I don't want this video to be lengthy, so I will be stopping for today. I will be stopping this video for today. You can see I've made $2.13, and when it gets to $5, it will surely stop by itself. It is automatic. There is no how you can extend it. Alright, okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Once again, this is Last Journey Biz Talk, and if you are yet to subscribe, kindly do that now and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware or get notified whenever I upload new video. Alright, till the next video, don't forget I am Lasisi Olukunle by name, and meet me in the next video. I love you all. Bye for now.